Iphalamende ithi umsebenzi wokuhlakulela ukulungiswa kwezakhiwo ezatshayo uza kuqala ngoMvulo ngokuthi kukhutshwe izinto ezatshayo. Emva koko kuza kuqwalaselwa undonakele kwaye nexabiso lokulungisa ezi zakhiwo.
The refurbishment project is planned to be completed in 24 months with a period of 6 months that deals with snagging as well as the liability phase for any other matters that may happen.
Urhulumente sele ebeke bucala izigidigidi ezimbini zerandi ukuze kulungiswe iphalamende, kodwa zikho nezinye indleko ezivelayo kungalindelwanga.
There are unforeseen expenditures that are occasioned by the absence of operating facilities. In that regard, we need to operate on-site, off-site, hybrid, including the destruction of broadcasting capability of Parliament that has been impacted.
Amanye amalungu asephalamende athi kufuneka indleko ziqwalaselwe.
With a figure of 2 billion rand, one would assume that that would be more or less a set in stone price. So if there is going to be more than 2 billion rand, it is a concern for me.
In infrastructure or in construction, this is where we tend to lose a lot of money. Soon as jobs have commenced, we then get escalation. We didn't realize this will happen and that will happen and all those things. And so the prices start escalating.
Iphalamende iyaziphika izityholo zokuba irhuqa inyawo kule nkqubo yokulungisa ezi zakhiwo.
No work could have begun before a budget allocation had been done whilst negotiations were on between ourselves and National Treasury and DPWI. No work could have been done. And secondly, as I said, you couldn't have gone in there, even if you had been allocated money, for as long as you had the police and other people who were investigating the matter, for as long as the site had been declared a crime scene.
Le komiti ijongene nezimali zasephalamende ithi iza kufuna ingxelo rhoqo ngale nkqubo. Ulelani Philip, SABC News ephalamende.